this is Darcy. Today is week 1 of our 30 days Bear 2 challenge. On this video, I'm going to show a full real-time tutorial with the settings of what I did for week 1. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you my 1 week results from using this tutorial for a whole week. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. If you want to jump anywhere in this video, please make sure to check on the timestamps below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps my channel. So now let's get to it. FOREO BEAR 2 is a microcurrent device that uses microcurrent and T-sonic pulsations. On this update of the BEAR 2, it introduced 4 different types of microcurrent and 5 different types of T-sonic pulsations. If you want more information about the BEAR 2 or how to use the BEAR 2, I do have a whole dedicated video explaining all the settings and showing a demonstration of all the settings. So make sure to check out the video. I'll leave that in the description box below because on this video, I'm focusing only on the challenge. Last week, I did a live video introducing the BEAR 2 30-day challenge. And the video was a live video, so it was a little too chatty. So I decided to do this challenge a little more structured. So every week, I'll be showing you the tutorial that I did for that whole week in real time so you can do it with me. And at the end, I'll show you my results for doing the tutorial for the whole week. Since I started this last week, on this video, I'll be showing my 1 week results. Also, if you join me on this challenge, make sure to comment below your results or any questions that you have, because during this challenge, I'm also doing a BEAR 2 giveaway. So I'll be choosing the winner at the end of this challenge from the comments below. So always make sure to comment on each video so you can increase your chances of winning a BEAR 2 at the end of this challenge. So now let's get to it. Since this is week 1, I want to give you a little more information about the face muscles and also explain a little bit why I'm using the certain movements that I'm doing. I'm not going to be talking about this every week, but if you want to jump right into the tutorial, make sure you check the timestamps below. Since it's week 1, I want to give you a little introduction about the face muscles. You do not need to know the name of the face muscles to do this tutorial, but I want to give you a little overview so you understand a little bit about the movements. The face muscles, I want you to pay attention that some go diagonally, such as the zygomatic muscles right here. Some go vertically, such as the levators, which is right here, and also the depressors right here. So I'm explaining that because I'm going to be doing both diagonal movements like this, as well as vertical movements like this. And that is the reason I'm going to be doing those movements, because I'm following along with the structure of the muscle. I also want you to pay attention that the eye muscle is a round muscle. So a lot of the movements that we're going to be doing is to open up the eye muscle and open up the eyes and open up this muscle. And I'm also going to be doing movements up on your neck as well as side on your neck. And always avoid the thyroid when you're using the BEAR 2. So now let's get to the tutorial. On a fully cleansed face, apply the conductive gel all over the face, the eye area, and the neck. And today I'm using the HR Booster Gel, but feel free to use any of your conductive gels or serums. And when the gel dries out, I'll be spraying with some water to revive it throughout the tutorial. That way I don't have to reapply the gel. And that's a tip for you guys. If you use serum or any of conductive gels, make sure you have a little water bottle next to you to spray, so that way you revive the gel. That way you don't have to keep reapplying. To access the BEAR 2 menu, make sure you register your BEAR 2 first. And for this challenge, I'm going to be using the Smart Control menu. I'm going to be choosing, as far as T-sonic pulsations, I'm going to be choosing the Lymphatic Drainage massage setting, which encourages the lymph fluid to circulate through the body and is good for around the eyes and under the jawline, but I'll be using all over my face and neck. And I'm going to be using that on level 3. The type of microcurrent that I'll be using is the Advanced mode. That uses deep pressure at slow intervals to relieve tension in facial muscles. It is good for cheeks and above the jawline. But I'm going to be using all over my face and neck. To understand a little bit about the different types of microcurrent that the FOREO BEAR 2 has, I want you to pay attention also on the shape of the waveform for the advanced microcurrent, because it is a square waveform. And waveform is how the current enters your skin. And the way the current enters your skin affects your results. And that's why the advanced microcurrent can also be defined as steady current that stimulates muscles to strengthen them while tightening the skin above, because the square waveform is ideal for facelifting and firming saggy skin. And that's why they mention is good for cheeks and above the jawline. However, you can use on the whole face, but be mindful that it is a stronger current, so make sure to adjust accordingly. I'm going to be starting with level 3 But since I'm using the smart control, I will be decreasing the level according to the area. For example, on the eye area, I'll probably lower to level 2 or 1 because our thinner areas and more delicate areas, you want to lower the current. So on the smart control menu, you can choose that in real time, and I'll be showing that as well. The smart control menu does not give you a timer, so your bear will not turn off automatically. But if you want to follow along with the tutorial, I'll be doing the movements evenly on each side, so that way we can do it together. And at the end, if you want to stop your bear, you have to hit stop on the smart control menu. The whole tutorial should last for about 6 minutes. I'm going to do 3 minutes on each side. So if you want to follow along with me, I'm going to be doing it in real time. Since I'll be using the lymphatic drainage dystonic pulsation, I'm going to start with a little bit of massage right here on this area. I want you to just press very lightly to open up your lymph nodes. Because we're going to be using the lymphatic setting, you want to help open up the lymph nodes here. Just slightly for a couple of seconds. You don't have to do it too much. You can also pass very gently behind your ears. Just do this very gently, and that's it. So now let's get started. So press start. I'm going to start on the neck, and I'm going to repeat each movement 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Move a little more to the side, avoid the thyroid. 1, 2, and 3. And then to the side. 1, 2, and 3. So make sure you always apply the gel even a little bit behind your ears. 1, 2, and 3. Now, jawline, I'm going to go up 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. I'm not in the eye area yet. I'm just doing on the cheekbone. 2, and 3. Now I'm going to go up and do a little hold. So go 1, 2, 3, contouring on the cheeks. A little to the side. 1, 2, 3. A little more to the side. 1, 2, 3. Repeat it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. For extra cheek lifting, I'm going to go starting on the end of the nose and then carve it out and up. 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm going to lower the intensity to level 2, and I'm going to do right underneath the eyes. If it's too strong, you can lower even more. 1, 2, and 3. For the forehead and top of my eye, I'm going to lower to 1. So go 1, 2, 3, hold, and then slide to the middle of the eyebrow. 1, 2, 3, hold, slide to the beginning. Make sure you have gel there. 1, 2, 3, hold. Repeat it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then slide. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to go on the forehead. Up. 1, 2. Last time. 3. And now go from the eyebrow out. 1. Still lifting. 2. And 3. And do the under eye. To the side. 1. This will help to drain some more of the puffiness if you have it because of the lymphatic drainage. 2 and 3. And now go to the side here. Lifting from here and down here to release any of the toxins or extra fluids. 2 and 3. So we're done with this side. Let's go to the other side. I'm going to increase again to level 3. Make sure you spray a little bit if it's dry. And then we start with the neck again. First up. 1, 2, and 3. And go. 1, 2, and 3. Then to the side. 1, 2, and 3. Don't forget to avoid the thyroid. Then 1, 2, and 3. Now the jawline. And always go up a little bit. 1, 2, and 3. And go 1, 2, and 3. And here to the corner of the mouth, still on the cheekbone. 1, not under the eye. 2, not underneath the eyes. I'm just on the cheekbone. And 3. Now we're gonna go up here. Go. And then hold 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Contouring the cheeks. And then up and hold. 1, 2, 3. A little more. Up and hold. 1, 2, 3. Repeat 2 more times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Now from the corner of the nose and contour the cheek and up, scoop it. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's lower to level 2 for the under eye. 1. If it's too strong, you can lower even more. 2 and 3. I'm going to lower to level 1 and go on the eyebrow. I'm going to contour it here, right underneath my brow. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to slide to the middle of the eyebrow. 1, 2, 3. And slide to the beginning of the eyebrow. Lift. 1, 2, 3. It's a little bit dry, so I'm going to spray with a little water and do it again. So go. You never want to have drag, especially in this area. 1, 2, 3. The middle. 1, 2, 3. To the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. To the middle. 1, 2, 3. To the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Now let's go to the forehead. 1, 2, and 3. And now go contouring the eyebrow to the side. 1, still lifting. 2, and 3. So to the outside. 1, to the outside. 2, and 3. And now let's bring it down to the lymph node. 1, 2, and 3. We're not dragging the muscle, we're just dragging the lymph. So that's it. These are the movements and the settings for week 1. Now I'm going to show you my 1 week results before and afters from using the Bear 2 during this whole week, using the setting Lymphatic Drainage for the T-sonic pulsation and the advanced microcurrent setting. Keep in mind, this is only 1 week results. And the best results, especially with microcurrent, is when you use it at least for a month. But I'm going to be showing my progress during this challenge as I try the different settings. And I have a lot of thoughts about the settings that I used for this week. So now let me show you my before and afters. You can see that my face is for sure brighter, also lifted and deep puffed. And the deep puffing I feel like is due from using the T-sonic pulsation on the lymphatic drainage setting because I did not lose any weight this week. I probably gained, but my face looks slimmer and less puffy, especially on the jawline and eyes. And that is due from using the T-sonic pulsation lymphatic drainage mode because that helps to drain the fluids and also detox your face As far as the advanced mode setting of microcurrent, the results that I've seen is more definition on my jawline, definitely more lift, and my cheeks are more lifted, which the advanced mode setting you can use all over your face, but it does mention that it does give you great results for the jawline and cheeks, and I for sure saw this during this week. So I feel like using the lymphatic drainage with the advanced mode is a great combination if you're looking for depuffing your face and having more definition and lift is a great setting to use. The Bear has an anti-shock feature, but I did feel with the advanced mode that I could feel more of not a shock and not a twitch per se, but more of a biting feeling, especially when I didn't have enough gel or certain areas. So I would suggest to even lower to level 1 on your neck if you feel any sensations, and then increase the level accordingly, because the advanced mode microcurrent, it is a stronger setting than the regular microcurrent mode that I had with the previous Bear. So that is something to keep in mind and adjust according to your comfort level. More is not better. And we're going to continue on this challenge. And next week, I'm going to be trying a different setting, and I'll give you my feedback on those settings. That way you guys can have a little more understanding on what each setting does, because it does give you a lot of options of settings, but I'm really enjoying to use a setting at a time and show you the results and my thoughts about it. If you're interested on the Bear 2, I do have a discount code, and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate links. And if you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. I love hearing from you guys, and commenting below will also enter you on the Bear 2 giveaway, because at the end of this challenge, I'm going to be giving away a Bear 2. So make sure to comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.